and compare them with my actual numbers of a product that I sell on Amazon. What is up everyone, my name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel I share techniques that help out with my own Amazon business so they could help you out as well. I also run a FBA Facebook community of over 1,700 other FBA sellers. All of my links are right down below in the description if you want to check them out, but let's get into it. So if you are just starting out selling on Amazon and you want to learn more about Amazon FBA, but you don't know which product research software to use, you've probably seen them all out there. There's Helium10, Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, Amazow, a ton of other ones, but those are the most popular product research software tools. So in this video, I'm actually going to pull up the numbers from Helium10 and compare them with my actual numbers of a product that I sell on Amazon, so you can see how close these tools really are and why I recommend one over the other. Again, I am affiliated with all of these software companies, but I only promote one software company, so I'm going to tell you why and actually break down the numbers so you could see why. But before we get into it, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel. I say it in every video and I say the same thing, but it really does help. So if you could do that right now, I'd really appreciate it. But let's jump into my computer and actually compare the numbers from these product research tools to my actual product on Amazon. Let's go. Alright guys, we are in my computer and I'm gonna make this fast, so let's jump into it. So first off, if you're just starting out on Amazon FBA or you've been doing it for a while, you're probably familiar with all of these names. These are the most popular tools out there, and when I first started I used Amazow, then I jumped to Viral Launch, then I went to Jungle Scout, and now I've been using Helium10, and it is the best in my opinion by far because it's the most accurate when it gives you the estimates. So these tools all give you an estimate when it comes to your competitors' revenue, search volumes, all of that. So I'm going to show you my product on Amazon and what Helium10 brought up for the actual numbers when it pulled up the information using X-ray. So let's get to the next slide. So here you can see my product on Amazon. This is one of the products I sell. If you sell multiple products on Amazon, usually the bars are yellow, but in the app you could click on it and then it will show you the individual results for each product. So this is one product and it's doing $6,420 in the last 30 days, and I sold 324 units. So then we could come down to the bottom right here, and this is Helium10's X-ray tool. This is what you use to get all of your competitors' numbers to get an idea of if it's a good product to sell. So you could see Helium10 brought it up and it said that I'm doing $6,197 a month in revenue, and that is pretty close for an estimate. It's only a couple $100s off. When I ran it with Jungle Scout a while back, it was over $1,000 off, and that is when I made the switch to Helium10. And then also you could see that Helium10 X-ray said that I sold 310 units, and when you compare it to my results on Amazon, I sold 324 units, so it's only off by 14 units. So in my opinion, that's a pretty good estimate. It's almost perfectly accurate, and that is why I always recommend to use Helium10 over the other tools. Although I have an affiliate link for all of these companies out there, the only product research tool I promote in my course and in my group is Helium10, and this is the main reason why. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you could see how accurate these tools really are. If you are selling on Amazon, do a side-by-side comparison and you should see that Helium10 has more accurate numbers than the other product research software tools out there. So that is why I use it. It also has a lot of other features I use, but the main ones I use are X-ray, Cerebro, Black Box, and Magnet, and those all come inside of Helium10. So it's a great piece of software if you're starting out on Amazon. Again, if you want to try it out, I have a link in the description below which will save you 50% off. Again, I just wanted to show you how accurate these tools really are because it's pretty important when you're trying to find a good product to sell. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me go to the next slide. So you already know that. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join my FBA Facebook community. Everything is right in the description below, like I've said 20 times, so I'm sorry about that, but I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.